What about her? Before you let me in, you asked if Senti was still there, and I told you yes. So I guess you just don't care about her anymore?
You didn't care to bring her up yourself the entire time you were standing in front of my door, so why are you here?
You list 1,000 different reasons why I'm here. I've got enough on my mind already. You know these notes are real. You just don't want to throw your comfortable life away for this.
You're right, I don't!
Not even for the life of another person?
Not until I'm convinced without a shred of a doubt that these notes actually mean something beyond cryptic instructions.
Computer isn't enough? Me traveling across the country to your exact address isn't enough? What else needs to be proof for you to care about this?
Soski vidi teksti.